Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to check your iOS versions that you used recently. So the thing that to know that, you just need to go click settings and open them, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found the general sections right here. So you just need to go click the general, and after that you just need to visit this about, and there will be display right after the name the versions of the iOS that you use. So here the iOS version that I use is 16.6.1, and it should be updated because the newest iOS will be more than that. So how to know the newest iOS is by go click software updates right here, and there will be display here the newest version of the iOS that you should install into your phone. So that's the way, guys, how to know the iOS version that you used recently. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.